All right, so I don't think it can have Thunder Nerd have all of the fun. I think we're gonna have to Kuman Ram Rush a little bit. Why not? Oh yeah, we want. We want. Now we have to be quick about this. I'm thinking probably gonna go for 20 pop up. You know what? We're just gonna do the Thunder Nerd. Let's just do the Thunder Nerd. I think it's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't question it. And we'll see how it goes from there. We will just do the Thunder Nerd in this strategy. I believe he goes 21 pop up. And yeah, go from there. Should be interesting at the very least. And we probably want to push in deer if we possibly can. And we also definitely want to start luring boar relatively early on. Why don't we actually just... let's do one more and then lure boar. How about that? That way we'll still have the 6. Sorry, I'm a little sniffly. He doesn't know the new ram rush techniques that have been in my father's generations for millions of years. He has no clue. That's actually not a very bad push at all. Can we get a little bit further? That's fine. No, I guess that was not fine. That's unfortunate. But we shall do what we can. Interesting wood line over here. We'll go, I guess, free on wood. That seems pretty reasonable. Do you even ram rush Meat Eater? Alright, so we're gonna go regular Kuman rush over here. Suboptimal to say the least. Pile everything on these guys. Do we eat the entire boar already? I feel like we ate that pretty quick. Feel like we haven't, but whatever. It's fine. What could possibly go wrong? Just gonna be mucking around with the food as long as we possibly can. Oh, what? Oh, yep. Sure. I'm sure that was totally legit. Totally magoli legit. Oh god, deer, come on. Be a good deer and come over here. I think that rhymed, so that must count. Okay, perfect. That's fine. That's over here. Bring in one more. Bring in uno más more. It's pretty standard at this point, right? We go 20. Should I even try and push this last Syrian? I'm just gonna go. Especially since I need to construct one of these. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Are we going to have enough food? 21 pop, wasn't it 21 pop? I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. We do need to do this just because of the not having the second building there. What a cluster F over here. Come on, hand this in. Get that. Alright, there we go. Oh my F. I knew there. F, man. I knew that board was still there. Oh, that's really frustrating. No wonder we didn't have the food required there. Well, I guess we're gonna hide over here. And we have tons of stuff on that now, so go for there. That is frustrating and unfortunate. You said go free on food, right? So I guess let's do that. This is fine. What could possibly go wrong? We have a lot. We have a lot on. Did we only send one duder? I thought we sent a woman. Oh my god. The whole build is oh, okay, there are two. Okay. Cool. And actually, let's get this prioritized. And guess we don't really need that. 2 on there, so I mean we do need a whole bunch more wood. We're just gonna wing it. It's fine. Get fletching right away. Just produce one of these. Get one of these going. Actually, let's get this even closer. Let's throw this down right here. And we do have to be a little bit careful because I believe. Look at that. We can even produce duders at home. I'm so happy. It's 160 for a siege workshop, or for an engine over here. And you two have done your job. Very nice. You can go back home, maybe to gold or whatever we. See if we can get one more ram out as quickly as possible. Oh, the gig is up. The gig is up. Alright. Well, green knows. Let's bring one of them over here. Just so that we can plop another one down of these. Actually, no, get this instead. And then come over here. And get one of these, please, Yash. Yash, thank you, sir. This is working out quite favorable. Don't think we need as many on wood anymore. Oh god, we should have probably been producing stuff at this time. Stuff is always. Oh oh. Oh, mouse out of power. Mouse out of power. Alright, plug this sucker in. There she goes. Alright, got control. Let's keep these moving. Let's construct another one. And then drop some of these. Is he in castle already? Okay, he is in castle already. That is quite bad. Alright. Stay right behind here. Alright, I mean, my buddy's here as well, so that's a plus. Split these up. Get that. Alright, this is actually somewhat working, I suppose. Alright, does he have any additional TCs over here? Yeah, just get that. Okay, cool. Knights, okay. That's not good. Out skis? Yeah, okay. Let's keep producing. Let's get some of this stuff going. Sure. We really need some spears, but we can't afford those. Let's bring another duder forward. Alright, Rams, come with me. Let's get a market. I mean, this guy's pretty much dead, right? Alright, well, that's probably all she wrote over there. Is not the worst thing. Is not the worst thing in the world. We will lose. Yeah, maybe. Oh man, my mouse is being all kinds of difficult and annoying. How are we going to balance our eco? Well, this is probably too many on here. We kind of need to go pike. $175. Don't need this. We can buy some more of this. And I think we can actually get ourselves up. Okay. We probably need to get some knights out just to help out a little bit here. I think that's probably a good idea. Let's just chop some of these down just so that we can get some more efficient farming going on over here. Jeez. Okay, that's fine. We'll take that down. All is lost. I mean, I guess we can call it GG if you want. And we have a lot of wood, so let's get some of these in here. I mean, honestly, this would be a miracle if we somehow pulled this back, but I guess we're gonna try nonetheless, right? I mean, we have a ton of wood, so get some of these up. Now, that is actually a problem. All this other stuff, that's just junk. That ram, that's a problem. Blacksmith. Attack, because it affects both my tutors. Oh, is Knight a lost? Oh. Let's see if we can be really annoying here. Let's get this guy like over here, I guess. Let's buy one of these and buy a town center. We need more. We need more of these dudes. Where's his archers? Okay. That could actually be a relatively good. Oh yeah, deer. You thought you could. You thought you could live. Now, it does seem like we are actually not in the worst of spots here, as we are gonna purchase our very first eco upgrade. I love how I say that. I'm like, oh yeah, we got one eco upgrade. Nice, nice, nice. Did we ever get horse collar? Okay, it's probably not gonna be relevant, but let's bring one of these guys over as well, just in case. Just come over here and I guess make some more of these things over here. If we pull this game back, that's kind of epic in itself, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, I wonder which achievement I got for that one. Alright, we don't care about gold. We simply care about making helps here. Oh god. Yeah, we need to keep these arbs alive for the most part. And protect these traps. It was unfortunate that it was right before the upgrade there, but I think we were able to extract relatively good value there. And at the very least, we were helping. Skirms. Okay, kind of annoying. I mean, we can build so many stables as well. So let's make sure that. Okay, we need more on food as well. That's fine. Mostly just need to keep these arbs alive. Cavalier, okay, he also went, okay, it's fine. I don't know why he wants me to go Imskis, but I guess we can. Do we have the buildings required for this? A monastery? Don't have the buildings required. It's kind of what I was thinking. Monastery? Sorry, thingy. Oh, that was a total waste. Ooh. Why'd I have to manage my eco? Don't want arson. Do need this though. Still don't want arson. Do want this though. Still don't want arson. Oh well, probably should have deleted that. It's fine. Oh man, it's pretty laggy at the moment. That was really not the time you want to lag a whole bunch. Come on, retreat. Keep the arbs alive. Just trash units, I guess. Eagles, okay. Yeah, that's fine. We need way more food. Oh man, we're messing this up. Still relatively close. God. Gotta make more of these stupid things over here. Still need more food. Like, the amount of food we are requiring is absolutely crazy. Okay, you know what? Maybe we need to switch gears here. Okay, let's get this duder and construct a couple of these over here. Oh man, we're throwing so many of these. We need to construct these things faster. Like, construct. Alright, there we go. We still need more food, for crying out loud. It's kind of unfortunate. Would there be an overchop anywhere? Maybe like over here? Alright, let's go over here. Alright. So I have like Leroy Jenkins over here going buck wild. That would probably be useful. Man, I feel like I'm just clicking buttons at this point. We actually need wood, which is kind of funny. Haven't needed that for a while. Actually, we have kind of a large army over here. Let's just see if we can go through the main gate over here. See if we can kill. Yes, love. I cannot call mama. Mama. Dadgum. Is this ever going to end? I mean, they have gold, so that's really bad for us.